care of Brandon Yutuk.
Sean Howe, there you go, his first three-point hit of the game. The ace, extra feed. Sean Howe, book it. That's a three.
That is Sean Howe's second three-point bucket. Wide open.
Baldomero going coast to coast. Unselfish on the part of San Juan. Kayaryan, excuse me. Then Brandon Yutuk with the finish on. Forward pass to Tauber. Ooh, great way to just avoid the defense with that pickup.
Outlet pass. Able to evade the orange shirt for the easy two.
Boost his teammates in that halftime huddle nila, and kailangan talaga nila JP going up against such a big team dito as Sean Howe hits another three-pointer. I mean, find a different flavor para sa kanila, no? Hanapin nila yung mga big men nila. Try to activate yung mga malaki. Kick it, Sean Howe. Locked and loaded off the glass. And seconds on the shot clock. Someone's got to shoot it. Fuentes going in with the highlight. Feed it to Sean Howe. Mid-range jumper, still no good, but the putback is in.
So you see here to start the quarter, a dagger three here from both squads.
Quarter, JP.
Yeah, that last one care of John Del Castillo, able to make it count.
Far in this fourth quarter, what a dish! And they find the open John Del Castillo.
Things are slowly making it happen here for Malabon, but they're not doing it on the defensive end. Another fast break there for San Juan.
88-37. Let's see what Ellie has. Madukduk penetrates with the Pinoy step. Everything but the shot.
Yeah, that was a great play there. Unable to convert though.
D going in and just warding 3 points.
Right on cue.
But there you go, a finish by Jarius Del Rosario. Sean Howe from the outside. Here comes Ellie John, Madukduk. Gets it back. Bounce it inside, no good.
Yeah, the orange shirts are making an effort here this fourth quarter. Trying their best to run, but a great bucket there for Michael Barry.
No good on the three.
Yeah, that was a shot attempt by Del Rosario, unable to convert. Meanwhile, Howe.
There you go, big bucket from him.
He's continuing to make it rain.
Kaya umuulan sa labas, JP. Ito kasi si Sean Howe eh.
Kanina sa first half, nothing was going in and very quiet. Now it's starting to rain in and outside the arena.
Nalabas nila Jared Gutierrez. Here they come, Seguros. Give it up. Back to Ellie John Madukduk, short on the jumper. Here comes D. Quick down the court and just a tough finisher. Itong si Christian D.
Christian,
the home dun sa PCU.
Exactly. And, but besides him, no others will be stepping up and looking into it. So
short on that one. Fast break opportunity para kay Ace Baldomero. You love how he used his body on that one.
That is a very smart player. Talk about Ace Baldomero. He knew that there was an orange shirt right behind him, controlled the speed and tempo of his game pace, able to get the easy two.
Turnaround jumper. That's in para kay Brinks Marion.
Brinks Marion Kayarian able to get it done.
Baldomero up top. Less than a minute remaining dito sa ball game natin, and Sean Howe is just lighting it up from deep.
Nothing but bucket there for Sean Howe, lighting it up on fire in the second half.
Brinks going in. Kino boards it.
So you can see here another undefeated masterclass performance.
Howe, that's way outside. Here come Malabon. Still a chance dito. 20 seconds. Bounce it. And the score para dito kay Maynard Soriano.
Great pass there from the orange shirt. Madukdok able to find the open man. But right now, that is all.